Okay.
That's a great question.
Gee,
Really
oh my
helps me
goodness.
understand.
At this point.
Oh, I'd love to dance. I still do.
Bring it down. Bringing it down. I have a son. He serves for the United States Air Force.
I would love to have twins. I just like to see like how hard it is because apparently twins are hard to care for. I would love to see how that works.
I have one child. I was a baby having a baby. I had him at 17.
I had spent a lot of time investing in ways to prolong my fertility. So when I met my fiance and we decided we were going to pursue having a kid, I knew that all of my investments up until this point were going to be worth it because we were trying. But I knew that because of my age that it was not very likely, and unfortunately, we didn't have any kids.
You know, thankfully being in a gay relationship, it's not like, oh, surprise, you're pregnant. It's literally, you have to really plan it out. And so with that, I'm planning like 10 years down the road, maybe.
I do not have children that I know of.
So I have a little boy, and then I have a little girl that's cooking as we speak.
I recently met a friend's baby, and it's just a really nice baby, and it's kind of throwing me for a loop because I didn't actually think I want kids, and now I'm going from not sure to probably.
I have 3 daughters, and I have an 8-year-old granddaughter. So it's woman power, girl power, but they have enriched my life. There's not a word that I could put.
I want them for the womanly reasons of why you want them, but I question whether or not I will be healthy enough to raise them or be there for them.
How many children do you have?
8.
How many grandchildren do you have?
Well, there's the 6. Because I have them in my phone. Because
Okay. Just a ballpark.
well, I have like 23 grandkids and about 13 great grandkids. It's a big family.
Someone that is understanding, loves their child unconditionally, just being very present.
I think a good parent is someone who is emotionally stable and mature and ready to be a parent, and that those are most of the areas where I've seen parents falter, including my own. And if I were ever to be a parent, I would want to be in such a state that I could give everything necessary to a child.
Who knows? Who really knows? I mean, everybody's got an answer to that. I don't know. I just do the best I can. There's a term in Yiddish which is being a mensch, being a good person. I think my job in life is to make sure that both my children turn out to be mensches.
Being attentive to your kids and being the best person you can.
Listening and being able to say, I'm sorry I messed up.
Me? I'm just kidding.
Children know a lot more about what they need or what they want or what they're saying than we think they do. And I grew up in a very strict family, in a very strict household. And so I think having an equal balance is very important. And I don't think a lot of people really focus on finding balance.
Oh gosh, no expectations. Do everything you're supposed to do that's all positive during the first 6 years of their life. That's the foundation.
So usually when you have a child, you're still into trying to formulate your own life. But you need to dedicate most of all your life to the child, to your child.
The best advice I can give to new parents is be patient with each other, have each other's back, because especially that first few years, like you're not gonna sleep.
Don't spoil your child.
Enjoy it, because when they turn 15, 16, they're gone.
It's really, really hard to not tell them how to do things or make suggestions. And I had to learn that. But you need to support your kids and you need to be there for them, whoever they turn out to be and whatever they choose to do.
Cherish these days because they are fleeting in an incredible sense. They go so fast.
All right, it was great.
Like, come on, right?
Nice. Thank you. Thank you, Calvin. Thank you. That was awesome.
Thank you, guys.